how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel and turn on Bluetooth. Now, once you have turned on Bluetooth, make sure that you connect it to your car. As you connect your Bluetooth to your car, what you can do is simply launch Google Maps now. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. From here, scroll down below and tap on Settings. From here, you'll see the option of Navigation. Tap on it. Now, over here, you can see various options. You'll see the option of Play Voice over Bluetooth. Simply tap on the toggle beside it to turn it on. Now again, you'll see the option of Play Voice during phone. Turn on this toggle again. Once you follow all these easy steps, you will successfully be able to connect Google Maps to your car. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.